पश्चिम बंगाल की मंत्री चंद्रिमा भट्टाचार्य ने कहा कि जहां तक मुकदमे के स्थिरा का सवाल है, यह एक ऐतिहासिक आदेश है, क्योंकि हम हमेशा से ये कहते हैं और पश्चिम बंगाल ने भी ये कहते हुए मुकदमा दायर किया था कि राज्य की शक्तियों का उल्लंघन किया जा रहा है।
Today, this we can say, so far as the maintainability of a suit is concerned, is a historic order, because we have always been saying on behalf of the state of West Bengal, and the suit was also filed by this state, stating that the powers of the state are being actually infringed. We are within the limits of the constitution, which says that federalism has to be looked into, and that is the supreme factor which has to actually play in the mind while acting in any way whatsoever, so far as state is concerned, so far as center is concerned. Now, in 2018, a general consent order allowing the CBI, agencies like CBI, to enter without the permission of, without a specific permission of the state government, that was revoked. But that revocation has not been taken into account by the central government and its agency. We have time and again pointed out this, but this has not been given any, they have actually turned a deaf ear to whatever we have said. No credence to any of our statements or our allegations or whatever we wanted to say. Now the Honorable Supreme Court, there a suit was filed by the state of West Bengal contending that this power has been actually, if this power is infringed, it tantamounts to overreaching the constitution. And there the Honorable Supreme Court, the bench which was presided over by Honorable Justice Gavai, an order has been passed so far as the maintainability question is concerned, where the honorable judges have said that the federalism has to be looked into. The factor of federalism has to play in the mind of everyone. So there, that is supreme. This is what we always contend, and there they have said that the suit is maintainable. The suit will be heard. Therefore, at the preliminary stage, the state actually has been able to establish its case, and the case will be heard. This is, of course, a historic order given by the Honorable Supreme Court.
आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज़ UNI।